To download Linux Mint, open your browser and type linux.org and hit enter. The browser will take a little bit to verify that you are a human, and you will be asked to tick this option, and you will need to wait. Next step, click on Download Linux. As a next step, scroll down and locate Mint. Click on Download Mint. Click on Download in the right side. There are several editions: Cinnamon, XFCE, etc. So personally, I choose Cinnamon. They are very similar and they have just slight differences. So I will click download. And we will select the mirror. I will try to choose the closest one to Europe. So let's check. Let's try this one. You will need to wait a few minutes until the download is fully completed. After 3 to 4 minutes, sometimes it depends on your internet speed, you will have this file downloaded, and it will be called Linux Mint hyphen a number cinnamon and 64-bit. This is an ISO format, and it can be used for installing or for creating a bootable USB drive or an SD drive.